Hi kids, let's learn birds' names. This is called Canary. This is called Parrot. This is called Hen. This is called Peacock. This is called Owl. This is called Eagle. This is called Crow. This is called Duck. This is called Crane. This is called Rooster. This is called Swan. This is called Cuckoo. This is called Sparrow. This is called Kingfisher. This is called Mynah. This is called Ostrich. This is called Penguin. This is called Nightingale. This is called Emu. This is called Hippo. This is called Goldfinch. This is called Flamingo. This is called Turkey. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.